construction of a triangle when its base, sum of the other two sides and one base angle are given. Okay, now construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 7 centimeters. Now I am drawing the rough diagram. AB is equal to 7 centimeters and angle A is equal to 45 degrees. This angle is 45 degrees and BC plus AC. Sum of these two sides are given, that is 9 centimeters. Here this is the very important point. BC plus CA, together it is given 9 centimeters. So with 9 centimeters we cannot take this is 4 or this is 5 or 6 or 3, you cannot take. Okay, then there is a separate mode of construction is there. Now we are doing that construction. Okay. Okay, now here 7 centimeters is given. I am taking double of 14 centimeters because if I am taking 7 centimeters the diagram will be very less. So I am taking little double, then answer will come double, but the procedure is same. Okay, procedure is same. So 14 centimeters I am taking instead of 7. So this is A, B line segment which is equal to 14 centimeters. Now angle A is equal to 45 degrees. I am taking 45 degrees. So directly you cannot construct 45 degrees. You know very well. So 90 degrees I am constructing. From this arc, one arc above, one arc on this arc, and from this point here. Now join these two. Okay, with a dotted line, children, because we need 45 degrees. What I am drawing is 90 degrees. So if you do the angular bisector for this, then you will get 45 degrees. I did not disturb this gap. See, now from this point, okay, from this point, so now we got 45 degrees angle. Join them. Okay, now 45 degrees line I am joining. So this is 45 degrees. Now BC plus CA is equal to 9 centimeters. Actually I am doing the double construction now. So 18 centimeters I will take. Right, so draw an arc on this ray. Draw an arc on this ray. Now what is this point? Name this is as D. Now I am joining BD, joining BD. Now we got a triangle ABD. So draw the perpendicular bisector of BD. You know how to draw perpendicular bisector, right? You should take more than half. For this, one arc this side and one arc inside. From D, from the point D, cut this arc and this arc. Now join these points where these two arcs are intersected. Join them. Now where these red lines are joining, this is the point AC. Join BC. Therefore ABC is the required triangle. ABC is the required triangle. So what I consider here is let BC plus CA, BC plus CA is equal to 9 centimeters. I consider as AD. Therefore, AD is equal to 9 centimeters I am taken. Actually, AB is 7 centimeters and it is 18 centimeters I am taken, but this is 9 centimeters. Okay, now if I join, then AC and BC, how much should come? If you add together, it should come 9 centimeters, right? See, this is 8 centimeters. I got AC is equal to 8 centimeters. So AC I got 8 centimeters and BC, see, exactly I got 10 centimeters. So BC is equal to 10 centimeters. If we add AC plus BC is equal to 18 centimeters. In the other way, I took double, that's why I got like this. How much you will get, right? AC is equal to 4 you will get, BC is equal to 5 you will get. If you add, then exactly 9 centimeters you will get. Why I did not take 7 and 9 centimeters? The diagram will be very small. Okay. Now I am telling construction steps. Please write down. First step, draw a line segment AB is equal to 7 centimeters. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 7 centimeters. Now take A as the center. Draw a ray AD. Take A as the center. Draw a ray AD such that angle BAD is equal to 45 degrees. Angle BAD is equal to 45 degrees. Now take A as the center. AD is equal to 9 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc on the ray. Name the point of intersection as D. Join BD. And next step, draw the perpendicular bisector of BD. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BD. And name the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector and AD is C. Join BC. Therefore, ABC is the required triangle where AC is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters. AC is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay. Now the analysis part. Why we should construct like this only? I am telling the analysis. Now actually the base is given, right? 7 centimeters base is given and like the sum of two sides are given. In a triangle, sum of two sides are given. Okay, this is AB 7 centimeters. Now AC plus BC is equal to 9 centimeters is given. Okay, now what I will do is produce AC to D such that CD is equal to BC. So what I am doing now, I am producing AC, this AC to D such that CD is equal to BC. Okay. Now this is D such that these two sides are equal. Okay, and join BD. If I join BD, Now I joined BD. Now BCD, here two sides are equal. Therefore, BCD is an isosceles triangle. It's a isosceles triangle. In this isosceles triangle, okay, in this isosceles triangle, actually we taken CD is equal to BC. Now AC plus BC is equal to 90 degrees, where BC is equal to CD. That's why AC plus CD become 9 centimeters. This total 9 centimeters line we are taken. And given, of course, this is 45 degrees. Now, why do we construct a perpendicular bisector of BD? So that how the C is located on AD such that AC is equal to BC, that is BC is equal to CD. Why? Because it's an isosceles triangle. Then the perpendicular bisector of this line, the perpendicular bisector of this line pass through the vertex of the triangle. The perpendicular bisector of the line pass through the vertex of the triangle. So this is perpendicular bisector which makes this side into two equal parts, and 90 degrees makes perpendicular to this side. This perpendicular bisector pass through the vertex C. Okay, suppose CF. The perpendicular bisector of BD pass through C. Okay, it is passed through C. Therefore, A is the required triangle. Is the required triangle. Required triangle. So this is the analysis behind this construction. That's why we are taken AB is equal to 7 centimeters. Okay, AB is equal to 7 centimeters and angle A is equal to 45 degrees. BC plus CA, the 9 centimeters arc we dropped, and the perpendicular bisector of BD passes through this C because BCD is an isosceles triangle where BC is equal to CD. Therefore, this total line length is 9. So, of course, this is equal to this. Therefore, this plus this will become 9 centimeters.